We need to use some 556. It's smörja in Swedish. It's
same as WD-40.
Oh, boom. Okay. As many of you can see, this header pipe goes, it has a pretty strange location because it goes around this frame tube here. Why they did that?
These are Michelin Christmas tires.
Yeah, stud tires.
No, Christmas XMS.
It must be like 8 millimeters or something. 30 millimeter wrench. That's 22. We can use one of these. What is this called in English?
Ratchet.
Ratchet. In Sweden we call it spärrskaft. A very usable tool.
That's Swedish 101 for you.
Yes. Are you filming now? Here I am.
No, but I want when you read
I am here. Who are you? It's me.
Hello!
I am here again. So Polaris, how did you plan this? Yes. Okej. Jävla miksvetsaren. Gut.
Good. German.
From Germany. If you look at it from this perspective, it's a freaking huge area to do something cool.
I mean, one could literally
You can
move in here.
You can step in there and you can start your own family in there.
Yes.
That's very big. Yeah.
What can we fit in there? Can fit a decent sized camera bag in there.
Here. You can also fit an entire wheel in here. So very great, yes.
Yeah. Too short.
Now we are gonna 3D scan this RZR Pro R, and to do that we need a lot of these reflective pieces.
I don't care, I want to see this one.
Reflective piece of paper. So now we have to. Have you seen the rear camera they have here?
Is it automatically going in the reverse?
What?
How do I
You need to turn the key on.
The key is on.
Do you have the screen up?
Yeah.
Mode. Boop. Boop. Try to. Maybe there isn't any reverse camera in here.
No.
Yeah. Can you see me?
Yes.
But quite almost. This engine is actually made out of metal. It's
a VTEC.
Metal, aluminum. Should be pretty cool if it was a VTEC engine.
At what RPM does the VTEC go in?
I think it kicks in about 16,000. It's like a crotch rocket engine.
requires a group effort.
$96. What is half of 96? 96. 90. 47,5. Okay. No, more to the right. Vänta då. 47,5. Stopp!